other day, we were down there at Walmart. Priscilla picked up one of those seed starting kits, one of them plastic jobs. She said, "Oh, isn't this pretty cute?" And it is. It's cute. It's 20 bucks. 20 bucks for something that's going to end up in a landfill. Don't forget. Let me show you a biodegradable way. More to a sawmill than railroad ties. Heard something fall, but didn't know what it was. That's a bad habit to leave something on the end of a sawmill like that. I'll run into it every time. So what you got? First thing you do, you take your log, flip it this way. Chainsaw with the big blade. Saw ever so often. However big you want your boxes. Then you come back with a smaller blade, or at least I use a smaller blade. You saw down however long you want your pieces. So what your goal is to end up with deals fit just like that. I know you've probably seen those guys cut the boards real thin. You probably think that, oh yeah, anybody can do that with a brand spanking new mill. Perfect log. Blade that's never seen nothing. But this isn't a brand spanking new mill, and that's about the worst log you could get, and that blade's dull. And you can still do the same thing. Here's what kind of the end result. Like I said, you can just make them however you want. If you're going to put, now those are deep, but that just happened to be the log that I had when I just gave up on it. If you're going to plant acorns, of course you want them deeper. If you're going to plant tomatoes, you might want them shallower. Here's what my goal is. Most of the time I just use tomatoes. Take you some of that sawdust over there, put maybe halfway down. Now, this box is too big, but here again, this is like you're always going to have some boards you just can't bring yourself to throw away that aren't any good. So use them for this. Put some regular sawdust in there. Put some of that store-bought sawdust on top if you want. And put your seeds in there. And I try to make mine like 20 or 25, because it seems like the seeds come in nowadays. Used to you'd get 100 seeds, now you get 25. 70 days. Those get up a little bit bigger. They'll be in those bathtubs over there. And in 70 days, we'll be eating tomatoes. Biodegradable fun.